What's up everybody, this is Investing Sensei. So I'm finally making a video on my M1 portfolio update after my Robinhood partial transfer. It's finally fixed. I actually started buying some more shares this week, and yeah, I'm going to give you guys the update. But before we get started, I want to let you guys know that this video is for entertainment purposes only, so please read the full disclaimer in the description below. And then the other thing is, if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so. Hit the bell notification. Go ahead and like the video, and then also be sure to leave some comments. Give me your feedback. I really like to interact with you guys. And so this makes week 8 of my portfolio update. I know that there's been a couple, weeks that have passed since my last video, which was around October on my update on this portfolio. But I'm just gonna treat it on about week 8 because I really didn't buy any equity at that time. Majority of my portfolio was on hold, so I couldn't do anything. Anyways, let's get started. So on the left, I have my M1 finance portfolio. It's my holdings, and those are the ones that I own right now. And then on the right, I made this Google Sheets that's just basically gonna illustrate what I've transferred from my Robinhood to my M1, and we'll go dive into that. So if we look at the Google Sheet here, you'll see that the first stock that I transferred was Apple. I had 21 shares, and then my average cost was $169.71. And then the current price of it right now is $267.84. My total cost that I've put in was $3,563.91. What I've earned in total has been $5,624.64. That was a total of 57.82% on my return for just Apple. The other thing I want to show you guys here is I learned this really cool thing about Google Finance. You can use it on, if you guys are interested in it. I watched a video from XGen Dividend Investor, and he showed about the Google Finance, so it's pretty cool. I started using it, but you can basically grab the current stock prices. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then the rest is just the math on how to add them up. But yeah, I had a total of 57.82%. And if we look over here in Apple, I had 21 shares, so now this brings it up to 31 shares, and my average cost is $164.29 for a total cost basis of $5,104.88. And now its value is $8,322.45, and then basically it's a 63.03% in just capital appreciation that we've gone, and as well we've been getting the dividends. So that was the first stock that I transferred over. The next stock is Disney. So I had 45 shares in Disney. My average cost was $110.10. The current price right now is $151.48. The total money that I've invested in Disney was $4,954.50. And the total return, this is with capital appreciation, is $6,816.60. So that's how much money I would get if I was to sell all my shares right now. But this is all the shares that were in my Robinhood account that I've transferred to M1 Finance. So I have a lot more shares now. And this is a total of 37.58% in just capital appreciation. So if we look over here on the left, we see Disney. Now this brings us up to 56.52 shares in Disney with an average cost of $110.32. Total amount that we spent is $6,235.52, which is now its full value is $8,561.88, and that's a 37.31% in capital appreciation. And so, at the same time, we've also been getting dividends. We got paid around July or June, one of those 2 months, and they're going to be paying up very soon as well. They pay semi-annual. But the next one here is Microsoft. Microsoft, I had 45 shares in Robinhood. I had an average cost of $118.13. Its current price is $152.32. Oh, the other thing is here if you use this Google Finance, this will automatically update depending on the current price on the stock market. But the total cost that I've spent was $5,315.85, and the total return right now, including appreciation, is $6,854.40. And then that's a gain of 28.94%. And if we go over here to the left and we look for Microsoft, that brings us up to 62.82 shares of Microsoft with an average price of $114.10. That's a total cost that we spent is $7,168.01. And now it's with capital appreciation, it's $9,569.06, which brings us to 33.50%. So that's pretty awesome. And then the next one here that I have is NVIDIA. Let me move it over a little bit so you guys can see the next ones. Okay, so for NVIDIA, I had 34 shares, and that was in my Robinhood account. My average cost was $142.95. And then current price right now of an NVIDIA share is $219.24. The total cost that I've invested in NVIDIA has been $4,860.30, which with capital appreciation comes up to be $7,420.16, which is a 52.67%. And if we go over here to the left, you guys can see that brings us our total up to 42.312 shares in NVIDIA with an average price of $143.10. Total cost basis is $6,054.84. With capital appreciation, $9,234.20. And then that's a total gain of 57.51%. So if I was to sell this right now, I would gain $3,169.36 just from holding the stock. This doesn't include the dividends that I gained over the couple months. Okay, so the next one is Skyworks Solution here. We had 45 shares in Robinhood that we transferred over. The cost basis was $72.20, and then its current price right now is $99.63, which is almost $100. And then the total that I spent on this was $3,249, and with capital appreciation, this brings it up to $4,483.35. So this is a total of 37.99% in capital appreciation. This doesn't include as well the dividends that we've gained. And if we look over here to the left, you guys can see Skyworks. This brings us to a total of 46.98 shares in Skyworks with an average price of $72.39 and a cost basis of $3,401 with 14 cents. With capital appreciation brings us our total to $4,680.86. That's a total gain of 37.63%. I didn't have much equity in Skyworks in my M1 finance portfolio, so it's only 1.9 shares that actually got added to the 45. So the next one here is AT&T. So AT&T, I had 102 shares at an average price of $29.64. This is actually, its dividend yield would be a little bit over 7%, which is really awesome. I got in at the right time. And then the current price right now is $37.66, and I paid $3,023.28. And with capital appreciation, that comes up with $3,841.32. And that's a total gain of 27.06%. And if we look over here on the left, that brings us up to having 134.42 shares in AT&T with an average price of $29.83 with a total cost basis of $4,017.39. With capital appreciation brings it up to $5,062.52. That's a total gain of 26.2%. That's pretty awesome. So what do you guys think so far of these stocks that I've transferred over from my Robinhood? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I had these in my Robinhood, and since these are more of dividend growth investing stocks that I know I'm going to be holding for the long term, I was like, I might as well transfer them to M1 Finance. and leave them there. The other thing is that, I was doing the promotion. There's a transfer fee from Robinhood to M1. It was like $75. And so since I was going to get $100, I was going to gain $25, to transfer over my stocks. And it just negated the transfer fee I would have had to pay if I waited maybe a year from now and they weren't running the promotion. So that was a win for me. I decided to do it. I think it's a good thing. There are some cons about it, and I'll talk to you guys about those later. But yeah, the next one is Tapestry. So Tapestry, I had 40 shares. I ended up buying it when the stock kind of crashed all the way to like $18 or so dollars. So my average cost was $19.40. The current price on it is $27.02. I invested $776, and with capital appreciation, that brings us up to $1,080.80. That's a total of 39.28% in just capital appreciation. This doesn't include the dividends as well again. But if we look over here to the left, if I find Tapestry, we have the 40 shares, $19.40. I didn't used to have it, so it's going to stay the same. So there's no point in me going on with this one as well. Just, I ended up getting a really high dividend yield on this, so. And I've, as well, you saw that it's almost 40% in just capital appreciation if I was to sell it right now. And the last one here is Verizon. So Verizon, I had 30 shares in my Robinhood account that I transferred over. My cost basis was $53.59. And so the stock right now is at $60.10. I spent a total of $1,607.70. With capital appreciation, that brings us up to $1,803. And that's a total of 12.15% just in capital appreciation. If we look over here on the left, you'll find Verizon, wherever you are, Verizon. Alright, so Verizon, that means that this brings it up to 42 shares and an average price of $54.53. The total that we've invested is $2,293.25. With capital appreciation, that brings it up to $2,527.61. That's a 10.22% capital appreciation. And again, this doesn't include the dividends that I've been getting, that I've been reinvesting from these companies. So if I scroll over here to the left, you guys probably already saw this, but the overall amount that I transferred over from my Robinhood account, the money that I've invested personally from my money, has been $27,350.54. This is money that I've gone to work, that I've been saving up, that I've been investing into my Robinhood. And this doesn't include any capital appreciation or any dividends or anything like that. And then if you were to include the capital appreciation that all these stocks that I've transferred over, that brings it up to $37,924.27. That's with all these stocks. So you could look at it either way. I transferred almost $28,000 from my own money, or $38,000 including capital appreciation from the stocks. So let's look at the full value of my M1 portfolio. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom, guys, you should be able to see that my full value of my portfolio is $61,494.58. This is money that's I've added to my account. This also includes dividends. And if we look to the right, this is my full value with capital appreciation, which brings it up to $78,564.62. And just in capital appreciation, we have a 27.76%, which is $17,070.04. That's amazing. So right now we're doing great. And so let me show you guys the full M1 portfolio. So one of the cons about the transfer was that I used to have, if you guys see here for overall, now you guys see that it says only earned dividends of $65. Everything got reset. They had to reset it so that it could properly calculate everything. And so now I'm kind of starting from November, and I lost track of that whole year that I've been investing. But the good thing about this is that I do keep track of this with my Google Sheets. So here it says overall I've only earned $65.82. But my Google Sheets here, I added this column here that has total dividends. It basically just summarizes all the months that I've invested. So I've made a $493.81 from all the way to the end of October. And if we go over here to the right, you guys can see I still keep track of all the ones that I've made monthly. So I have all this information still. I'm kind of a little bit upset about the fact that I lost that other history, but you know, good thing I kept track of this. So we'll be finishing November's dividend payout very soon, a couple more days, and then I'll make a video on that. I think we're going to reach $100, over $100. So November really matches up to August. So last August we had $73, so we should receive something higher than $73, and I think that we're going to be right at $100. So that's awesome. And then December, I think we're going to exceed way over $110. But let me show you guys the other thing here that I'm very excited about. So you guys know about this sheet now, that I basically just keep track of all the money that I've been investing, right? Out of my personal checks that I gain or I go to work for. And basically, I just like to keep track of this. But November, I added the $200. This is $70.46 that I actually got dividends from AT&T and Verizon in my Robinhood account, but for some reason they got transferred over to my M1, but I'm not treating those as dividends. I'm going to treat those as just extra money that I've gained, because they're not going to show up in my M1 as dividends. The other thing is I made the $100 from the promotional bonus from M1 Finance, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And then I added another $200, and then I added the $27,350.54 that I transferred from my Robinhood account. And so this brings us to a total of the $60,301.84. And the holdings on M1 Finance, it says like $61,000, but you also got to include that includes the dividends that got reinvested as well, and any stocks that I bought and then sold with capital appreciation, that gets included in that as well. So these are not going to match up exactly. And then the last thing here is that I finally met the 50K goal of my portfolio. It's kind of a little cheating because, you know, it's not me investing every time. It was because of the transfer, but it's still money that I've been earning, that I've been investing. So it's just me trying to consolidate all my dividend growth stocks into one portfolio. The next goal here is we're going to try to reach 100K, and hopefully we should start seeing that compounding a lot sooner, and I want to show you guys that as well. But we should see that grow, and it'll start helping us a lot more. So let me show you guys the M1 portfolio activities here with the promotion and then the dividends as well. So I have the promotion bonus. I just want to show you guys. So M1 Finance paid me $100 just for transferring this over. Okay. And I am going to get an extra $50. So you guys realize that this whole month I was not able to invest. My whole portfolio was on pause because they ended up transferring my whole Robinhood portfolio over to M1 when it was a mistake. And so they ended up fixing that, and it just took a while. They were also going to add an extra $50. I should be getting that paid very soon. So, you know, it should show up in my M1, and then I'll just reinvest that into some more equity, some of the stocks that are in the red. Another thing I want to show you guys is the dividends and what I've been buying recently. So let me pull that up. So here I have the dividends and any tradings that I did. And I already showed you guys that I've been investing the $200 every 2 weeks. I still have $85 that I need to invest, and I'll be doing that very soon. But you guys can see here from November 1st, you guys can see that I'm getting paid a lot of dividends. $23, $18, $2, $5, $4, $10, almost $5, $2. You guys can see that this will be adding up I'm pretty sure this is right at $100. So we'll find out in a couple days when all the stocks end up paying us. But for the tradings here, I spent $345.71. I bought some Cisco, $40 of that. Some Home Depot, $30. 3M, I bought $40 of that. American Towers, $30. Constellation Brands, $30. McDonald's, $25. Amazon, almost $40. Clorox, $25. Pfizer, $15. And EPR Properties, $70. These are all companies that when I was buying them, they were in the red. The only one that wasn't in the red was Home Depot, because I did buy that at around $180 something dollars, and it was around 218. But it's been in the red technically, like it crashed a bit. So I've just been taking the opportunity to buy that. The next thing here, November 26th, I bought another $314.99. It was like $315. So I bought $20 worth of Pfizer, $30 worth of Cisco, $20 worth of 3M, EPR $60, McDonald's $25, Waste Management $20, Amazon almost $50, Constellation Brands $30, American Towers $30, and then Home Depot $30. So these companies that are paying dividends, I should see them within the next couple months. You know, I'm adding more shares to them, so my dividends should start growing over time. But I think that wraps up everything. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on my portfolio. This is actually week 8, and you know, it's really should have been like week 10 or so, but I'm updating it as week 8 since, you know, again, my portfolio was on pause. But this brings up our portfolio up to $78,564.62. This includes capital appreciation and all the dividends as well. But I'll be making a video very soon, guys, on the amount of dividends that I got paid for November. And you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Be careful out there, especially with Black Friday shopping. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comments below. Have a good day. Bye.